Hey you guys, I wanted to come and do something a little different. I wanted to make a video outside in nature. I just want to get in the habit of stepping outside of my comfort zone, especially living in a world that's so judgmental, and I feel like there's so many people in this world that's afraid to be who they really are, in public, and I just want to break out of that. So this video is not going to be too long. I just wanted to encourage somebody, if I could in any way. Be who you are, no matter where you are. Be who you are. And love yourself, stay confident, and of course I want to thank all of my viewers, subscribers, and the people who watch my channel. Thank you for your support. Forgive me for not being consistent because things been kind of rocky lately, but I'm still here, and I just wanted to let y'all know my channel is going to continue to thrive. I'm going to post more than ever. I'm not going to allow myself to make excuses anymore. But yeah, I just encourage you guys to go in nature more because it's very liberating and refreshing to see the trees, the birds. Sometimes even listening to the cars is therapeutic for me. And even though I'm going through a skin crisis right now, I'm not letting that, define me. I'm not letting it define me because I watch a lady on YouTube. Her name is Peach McIntyre. She's super motivating. She always say, don't let people play you out of your shoes, because people will let people talk them out of doing things, and you will look up and half your life is gone, and you didn't waste it on caring what people think. So hopefully the next time y'all see me, I will be feeling and looking way better than what I am. Even though I feel like I look good still, I just know how much more better I can look, if that makes sense. I have problems articulating my words correctly, so excuse me if I don't make sense sometimes. But I encourage you all, once again, step out of your comfort zone, love yourself, block out all negativity, negative talk, people telling you shouldn't do this like this. Be who you are, no matter where you are. Always remember, nature was created for us to enjoy it, not to stay in the house. And every day I'm learning to embrace what God created, and that includes me. So thank you for who all finished watching this video. I hope you all have a blessed and prosperous new year, well, middle of the year. And yeah.